Hi everyone, welcome to Soma's cooking channel. Today I will be making num cong or Cambodian donuts. To make it more delicious, we should use palm sugar, but if you cannot find it, you can use brown sugar or white sugar. In case you use white sugar, you have to caramelize it until it's turned golden brown. So before we start, please like and share this video to your friends and your loved one. And if you are new here, please subscribe to get more delicious recipes. Okay, let's get started. Here are the overall ingredients. Now let's start making the dough together. First, we are going to add 2 cups and a half of glutinous rice flour into a mixing bowl. Then half cup of rice flour. The reason that I use rice flour because it won't make the donuts too soft. Then add 1/3 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and then stir to combine it well. Pour 1/4 cup of coconut milk into the dry ingredients. And then gradually pour 1 cup of water. And knead it until it becomes a dough. Now our dough is done. It's not too soft nor hard. Now let's start deep frying it together. Pour the cooking oil into the pan and turn on the heat. And wait until the cooking oil is very hot. There are different ways to make donut shape. You can choose either way that make you feel comfortable. To me, I will take a piece of dough and make a round shape. Flatten it and use the thumb to pierce in the center like this. If the dough is too sticky, you can pat loose powder on your palm. So please keep doing like this until you finish the dough. The cooking oil is turning hot right now, so drop the donut in. If you use one hand to put the dough in cooking oil, the dough might turn oval shape. So you better use both hands to have a better shape of donut. The way we notice the dough is cooked or not. Right after we put it into the cooking oil, it will dip into the bottom. But it will float up while it's cooked and turn golden brown. So please repeat the steps until you finish the dough. Our donuts look so good. And now let's start caramelizing the brown sugar. First, put 1 cup of brown sugar into a pan. Then stir it over low heat. Keep stirring until it's turned caramel texture. This step it takes time to do it. Stir the palm sugar 5 to 10 minutes, then you can put the sesame seeds in. And then keep stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. So here is the texture that we want. Do not turn off the heat and keep using simmer level. And then you can dip the donuts into the palm sugar like this. It's very sticky, so don't put it on each other. Right after you dip it into the palm sugar, please separate it for 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar turns dry. This one I stir it longer than the previous one so the texture is stickier. Then you can choose based on your favorite. Cambodian donuts are done right now, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any idea, please write it into the comment box below. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.